Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with a DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some very easy DIY planter ideas. So like this, you can make very beautiful and creative planters from waste materials which are available in our house. So please do watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you don't miss my any future DIY videos. So yeah, now without wasting time, let's get into the video. For this DIY, I'm going to use very old paint bucket. And you will need a jute rope, then start sticking the rope around the bucket. So I have planned to cover this bucket into 3 parts. First will be from the jute rope, second part will be of white rope, and the third one again the jute rope. First part is done. For the second part, take the white rope, start sticking it around the bucket. So for the proper measurement, I have divided the bucket into 3 parts. Before going for the last part, you will need a jute cloth. I have cut it according to my bucket size. To cover the inside part of the bucket, we are using this cloth. Stick the cloth on the borders of the bucket like this. Cut the circle according to the size and just keep inside it so it will look neat and clean from the inside. And for the last part, again stick the jute rope. Complete it till the end. Planter is ready. Like I have seen this type of planters on Amazon and they are so costly, but you can also make them at home, especially from waste materials. And I love the way this planter turned out. It is exactly the same. For this DIY, I am going to use this white rope. First, start sticking the rope around the container like this. Continue doing this till you reach the top. So like this, we have covered the container with the rope. After that, I'm going to use some acrylic colors and just randomly going to make some lines. Next, I'm going to use this pink color, and in the same way I'm going to make lines all over the container. So this is very easy. You just have to draw lines with colors. You can even add more than 2 colors. So now you will need caps. So I have taken this cap from Dettol bottle. To make this stand for our planter, just stick all the 3 of them with the hot glue gun and our planter is ready. So this was the very easiest way to convert your old planter into new one. For this DIY, I have taken this rasgulla container. First, I will apply white acrylic color as a base coat. I am going to color this container with red color. Next, I have made this wall putty clay. So I am thinking to make this face on the planter. So first, I will apply the glue and stick the wall putty clay. So here you have to work a little bit fast with your clay if you are using the wall putty clay, because wall putty starts drying fast, and if it feels like your clay is drying fast, then keep it in a wet cloth. So after the wall putty is completely dry, color it with a white acrylic paint. Take this 4 wooden sticks and stick all the 4 of them like this to make the stand of the planter. Lastly, apply varnish to give gloss look to the planter. Here is the final look. I really love this planter. You can keep fake plant or a real small plant in this. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone. You can also watch my last year video. I will link it in the description box, so do check it out for more ideas. So I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.